If you're looking for Medcenter talking alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Medcenter talking alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Medcenter. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Medcenter. Number 3. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Medcenter. Find these Medcenter talking alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.